So here the question is about DFS name node handler count. Okay, how we can actually uh, um, uh, how we can accurately set this up. The default value is 10, but what should be the value on the larger cluster? So first of all, we need to understand what is a heartbeat. So heartbeat is the information, means each and every data node. Hey, Mushtaq, can you go on to mute? Yeah. So first of all, we need to understand the heartbeat. Heartbeat is the so each and every data node do send heartbeat to the name node to tell it is alive. As part of the heartbeat, it also sends metadata operation, and name node will digest this information to understand the status of all the data nodes in the cluster. Okay, so if you have just 10 data nodes or 15 data nodes, I think the default heartbeat is 1 second. Every second, 1 second or 3 seconds, I do not remember exactly. Every 1 second or 3 seconds, these actually send the details. Each and every data node send the details to name node, and and they will send at the same time. So in that, when multiple data nodes send the heartbeat at the same time to name node, it has to digest the information as quickly as possible. Otherwise, it can cause wait and or latency, and it can impact the performance of the cluster. Okay, so for that reason, we cannot use 10 because all the data nodes can simultaneously send this heartbeat, and the name node has to digest as quickly as possible. So we have to set some higher value. At the same time, if you have a 1000 node cluster, you setting up 1000 also might not be a good idea. It will consume a lot more resources on the name node. For that reason, what they are saying is use logarithmic math to get the final value. So if you actually if there are 200 nodes in the cluster, they are suggesting to set 1 of 5. So even though you have 200 nodes in the cluster, um, all of them might not be able to send the heartbeat at the same time. There might be few milliseconds or a second latency to get this information. So even though there are 200 data nodes, all the requests might not come simultaneously to the name node. So 200 need not be the you don't need to set the 200 by itself. You can start with logarithmic, but if you are seeing any issues with that, for example, if it is set to 105, and if you are seeing a timing out on receiving connection from data node to name node, in that case you might have to increase it. Okay, if you are not seeing any of those symptoms, you can decrease it. So they are saying start with logarithmic value. It is more than enough for most of the scenarios, but sometimes it might be lesser. If that is the case, there will be timeouts on the data nodes receiving connection from name node. In that scenario, you have to increase this DFS name node handler count, but logarithmic value is more than enough. So this is the formula they are asking you to use. Okay, logarithm of 200 will be 10 or I think 5.25 or something. So 5.25 into 20 will be 105. Okay, so they are just multiplying. 5.25 is very small. So the logarithmic of 200 is not 105. Logarithmic of 200 is a very small value, 5.25. Okay, so then you have to multiply with 20 to get more accurate number. And still, if you are seeing timeouts, then you have to increase the number. If there are no timeouts, you can leave it like that, or you can actually reduce the number also, because all these parameters will consume resources on the cluster, on the name node. Okay. So any follow-up question on this, Mushtaq? Okay. And also it seems you have a few other questions. Okay, Cool. Let me stop the